Hi, I'm Chuck Etheridge.
Hi, I'm Chuck
Hi,
Etheridge.
I'm
And
Chuck Etheridge.
together we're going to show you
Hi, I'm Chuck
how
Etheridge.
to do some simple video editing. Hi folks, just want to show you some basic video editing tips, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by getting into Zoom. I'm just going to start the meeting, and I have that, and then I come and I'm talking to you. Now the simplest way to do this is to record what you're doing, and this records anything that's on the screen. In this case, I've got a video of myself. Now obviously my talking head isn't the most interesting thing, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to share screen with you, but what I want to do is I want to show the video editor. So I'm going to just get in the search bar. Almost all Windows-based computers are going to have video editors. You'll have something different on a Mac. So I click on that, and I get that started as well. So that program starts, and then I'm going to start. Now that I'm going to click on Share Screen, I have a choice, and then I can get on my photos, which is the video editor. So I'm going to share that. Now, these are some silly things I've made before, so I'm just going to get rid of that as well. So say I want to start a new video project. Well, so I'll just start a new video project, and then I'll call it I don't know, Goat Jokes. I have no idea why I'm calling it Goat Jokes. I'm calling it Goat Jokes. So what this does is this gives me a project. Now, what am I going to do? I want to add something. Why don't I add a title card? And this basically just gives me, I'm going to move this around here. This basically gives me a title card. So if I want to edit this title card, let me change the background. I can change the background. I could make it a different color. I like purple, so I'm going to do that as well. I'm going to go with done, and then I'm going to edit the background. And let me just change the text. So we'll call it Goat Jokes. Goat Jokes. I have no idea. Or we'll call it Goat Jokes. If I want to change the format, I could do that way. Let's go with the Joy format as well. So I'm done with that. So I've got this title card. Now I also got to decide how long I want it to run. Now if you think about somebody watching your video, is that enough time? Is it not enough time? I think it might be, but let's just let's see if we can make it. So you saw what I did. I right-clicked. I clicked on duration. Let's make it 5 seconds. Okay. So our video is going to begin with a 5-second intro or title card, because you have to introduce your video. Okay, as well. Then I've got to, and again I'm just going to kind of move myself around here, so I'm not interfering with what I'm doing as well. And then I've got to have some kind of video I want to edit. Now I can. I'm editing this video, so I could use something that I'm screen recording, or I could import a video I've already got. So let me find a video I've already got. So I went in and from this PC, I made a video earlier of myself introducing this video. So let me get there, and I had something called Camtasia Project, and I just recorded myself with my phone, with a video camera, with Zoom talking. So let me just bring this in here as well. So then I've got this video that I brought in, so I'm going to bring this down here. So I've got this, and then I've got my title page,
I'm Chuck Etheridge. Hi, I'm Chuck Etheridge. And together, we're going to show you how to do some simple video editing.
Okay, now this is a clip I obviously don't want to use the whole part of,
Hi,
because I say hi, I'm Chuck Etheridge twice. So I'm going to see where it pauses, where I say hi, I'm Chuck Etheridge, and then before I say it again.
hi,
So I can probably cut off the first 12 seconds of this video. And you see where it says split? So it splits, and I've got clip 1 and then clip 2. So clip 1, okay, and I'm done. And clip 1 I want to get rid of, right? So then when I go into clip 2,
hi, I'm Chuck Etheridge. And together, we're going to show you how to do some simple video editing.
so that's the full content of what I want to say. And so I'm just going to split that again and get rid of that last little part as well. So then I've got my intro video.
Hi, I'm Chuck Etheridge. And together, we're going to show you how to do some simple video editing.
Do things as well. And then if I wanted to add a closing credit, I could just go back and add another story card there, and I could say edit, and we're going to add text and put something like, I don't know, no professors were harmed in the making of this video, or something like that. Okay, and I go with that, and then maybe I want, so let's see how that plays. And again, this is obviously a silly video.
Hi, I'm Chuck Etheridge. And together, we're going to show you how to do some simple video editing.
And then, okay, so I've got that. So then I'm done. And so what have I done? I have made this video. And you see you finish video, export your video. So you want high quality, right? Export it to Goat Jokes in the video files. So I'm going to export it, and the video gets made. And then when the video is made, and again you see where it says show in folder.
Hi,
It's
I'm Chuck
in
Etheridge.
pictures.
And together, we're going to show you how
And
to
it puts it
do some simple
in my
video
pictures file.
editing.
And it's there. So we've just made a video as well. Now, that's just really simple video editing techniques. So I'm going to get this, and I'm going to stop sharing here. But the other thing that is most important, obviously, in videos is you might want to be doing screen sharing. Obviously, I'm sharing my screen right now, but if you wanted to share images or pictures, or screencasting, and actually what I'm doing right now, and I'll just stop the recording real quick. Zoom meeting. I can share the screen, and I can share whatever it is I'm doing. Now, the smart thing to do would be to I have to stop this recording again real quick. So the smart thing to do would be to have whatever you're going to show. So for example, if you had a video or a PowerPoint or an image that you want to share, just put it up on your screen, and then when you get into your Zoom, you can start record and then share recording and then share a screen of whatever it is you want to show. I'm showing you my email program for whatever reason as well, but you can record whatever it is on your screen, and then you're pretty well set. So what have I shown you? I've shown you basic video editing techniques. I've shown a really simple way to do screencasting, which is recording whatever it is on your screen using Zoom. Now, let me show you what happens when you get done with Zoom. So I'll get back into Zoom. So anyway, it's because I'm sharing the screen. That's why. So I end the share, and then look what happens when I stop recording. I stop recording, and I'm going to end the meeting. So when I end the meeting, some stuff happens, and basically you convert the meeting recording. And what does this mean? This is going to make an MP4, which is the same video format that you get on your YouTube videos. Okay, so once this is done, you get these folders. Now, these separate folders here, I'm going to show properties. These are what are called MP4 folders. So remember, I stopped, started, stopped, started, stopped, started. So, but these, all the ones that say Zoom are going to be things that I can edit and work with. Now, I can just find them. Remember, it's going to be all your Zoom files are going to be there. I believe in Word. Let's just, yeah, it's under Documents, Zoom, yeah. So they're going to be there under Word, under Zoom, a Word document, Zoom. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to move these myself over here, then so I can get in, and that's what I wanted to show you. I want to show you some simple video editing software, and I wanted to show you how to do some screencasting for the purpose of your multimedia project, which will help you put a lot of stuff together. So, hope this is helpful. If not, let me know. And look forward to seeing a bunch of your writing. Thanks.